Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of innovation with a countdown of the top 8 coolest gadgets you have to see, all available on Amazon. From futuristic tech to everyday solutions, these gadgets are bound to blow your mind. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. So stick around, you won't want to miss this. 8. Simos Solis Lite 4G. The Simos Solis Lite 4G is a versatile and portable Wi-Fi hotspot that provides reliable internet access wherever you go. Designed for travelers, remote workers, and outdoor enthusiasts, this compact device supports 4G LTE speeds, allowing multiple devices to connect simultaneously. With its sleek and lightweight design, the Solis Lite is easy to carry in your bag or pocket, ensuring you stay connected on the move. One of the stand-up features of the Solis Lite is its user-friendly interface, making it simple to set up and manage your network. The device is equipped with an extended battery life, enabling hours of continuous use without needing to recharge. 7. Nightcore EMR3. The Nightcore EMR3 is an innovative mosquito killer designed to effectively eliminate pesky insects using advanced UV light technology. This compact device attracts mosquitoes and other flying pests, ensuring a bug-free environment for outdoor activities or indoor spaces. Its sleek and portable design makes it easy to carry, making it perfect for camping, picnics, or home use. The EMR3 operates quietly and efficiently. 6. Oisell 8000. The Oisell 8000 is a powerful and versatile portable power station designed to meet your energy needs during outdoor adventures, emergencies, or everyday use. With a robust battery capacity, it can charge multiple devices simultaneously, including smartphones, laptops, and even small appliances. Its range of output ports, including AC, DC, and USB options, ensures compatibility with various devices. Compact and user-friendly, the Oisell 8000 features an intuitive display that provides real-time information on battery life and power output. 5. Feiyu Pocket 2S. The Feiyu Pocket 2S is a compact and innovative handheld gimbal camera designed for vloggers and content creators who prioritize portability without compromising on quality. This lightweight device features a 3-axis stabilization system that ensures smooth and steady footage, even during dynamic movements. With its 4K video recording capability and impressive low-light performance, the Pocket 2S captures stunning visuals in various environments. The camera offers multiple shooting modes, including time-lapse, slow motion, and panorama, allowing users to unleash their creativity. Its intuitive touchscreen interface makes it easy to navigate settings and control shooting options. Additionally, the built-in microphone ensures clear audio capture, enhancing the overall production quality of your content. Equipped with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, the Feiyu Pocket 2S allows for seamless sharing. 4. Lithy Wagon W1 Pro. The Lithy Wagon W1 Pro is a multifunctional electric utility cart designed for convenience and versatility. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, gardeners, and anyone in need of a reliable transport solution. This e-wagon features a robust electric motor that can easily handle various terrains, making it ideal for tasks like hauling equipment, groceries, or camping gear. With a spacious cargo area, the W1 Pro provides ample storage, while its sturdy construction ensures durability under heavy loads. The cart is equipped with all-terrain wheels, allowing for smooth movement over grass, gravel, and uneven surfaces. A user-friendly control panel makes it easy to operate, and the adjustable handle adds comfort during use. One of its stand-up features is the integrated battery, which offers impressive runtime and can be recharged easily. 3. Creality K1 3D Printer. The Creality K1 3D printer is a cutting-edge machine designed for both beginners and experienced users looking to explore the world of 3D printing. Featuring a high-speed printing capability, the K1 can produce detailed models with impressive precision, making it ideal for various applications, from prototyping to hobbyist projects. Equipped with a user-friendly touchscreen interface, the K1 simplifies the printing process, allowing for easy navigation through settings and options. Its large build volume accommodates a wide range of print sizes, while advanced features such as automatic bed leveling and a heated print bed ensure optimal adhesion and consistent results. 2. Bosma Aegis Smart Lock. The Bosma Aegis Smart Lock is a cutting-edge security solution designed to enhance the safety and convenience of your home. This smart lock allows you to control access to your property using your smartphone, eliminating the need for traditional keys. With features like remote locking and unlocking, you can manage entry from anywhere, making it perfect for homeowners who want peace of mind while away. The Aegis Smart Lock is compatible with various smart home systems, enabling seamless integration with your existing devices. Its user-friendly app provides real-time notifications, so you can monitor who enters and exits your home. You can also create temporary access codes for guests or service providers, ensuring that you maintain control over who has access at all times. Built with durability in mind, the Bosma Aegis features a robust design that resists tampering and adverse weather conditions. 1. Razer BlackShark V2. The Razer BlackShark V2 is a high-performance gaming headset designed for serious gamers who seek immersive audio and comfort during long sessions. Featuring Razer's advanced Triforce titanium 50mm drivers, the headset delivers rich, dynamic sound with enhanced clarity and powerful bass, ensuring you can hear every detail of your game, from subtle footsteps to explosive action. With its comfortable memory foam ear cushions and adjustable headband, the BlackShark V2 provides a snug fit that minimizes fatigue, making it perfect for extended gameplay. The headset also includes a detachable Razer Hyperclear cardioid microphone, which offers excellent voice clarity and noise isolation, ensuring your teammates hear you loud and clear. The BlackShark V2 is compatible with multiple platforms, including PC, consoles, and mobile devices, making it a versatile choice for gamers. Additionally, the customizable RGB lighting and Razer Synapse software allow for personalized settings and sound profiles, enhancing the overall gaming experience. Alright, that wraps up our list. The top 8 coolest gadgets you have to see, all available on Amazon. Which gadget are you adding to your wish list? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love these amazing innovations, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more awesome tech content. Remember, the future is at your fingertips. Stay curious, and we'll catch you in the next video.